Hey everyone, so I bought it and there's an issue here with this part. So when I close the door, it doesn't stick in there. So what happened, the problem is not the door itself, the problem is here. Let me spin around. So if I pull up and then I close the door closes, right? It's fine. Now, if I pull down and try to close the door, it does not close. So there's some issue inside here, I guess. Well, anyway, I'm not happy with the quality. So I'm gonna give it for now a 1 star. I'm gonna try to get a replacement.